meeting me back. Hi, thanks for meeting me here on Flipgrid again. We have this week and next week, and then we're finished with Flipgrids for this school year. To finish up our rhythm part for this year, we're going to read these rhythms. Now, something's new today. Last week we used half notes, and they sound like this. Ta, and that guy with the little empty note head gets 2 beats, and it has a partner. This one looks like a little hat. I call it a hat rest. It's officially called a half rest, and it also gets 2 beats because there are 4 beats in this measure. And so that means half of the measure is 2, the other half is 2. So we can write it with a half note and a half rest. That would still equal 4 beats. I'll show you how to write these in a little bit, but for now, let's read these cards together. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, rest, rest. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ta, rest, rest. 1, 2, ready, begin. Rest, rest. Ta-dee-ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Whoops. Bet you can read that one without my help. 1, 2, ready, begin. Toddy, toddy, ta. Notice that toddy, well, it's 2 notes, but they combined get 1 beat. And this one gets 1 beat, but that half note gets 2 beats all by itself. Let's say this one again. 1, 2, ready, begin. Toddy, toddy, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, toddy, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ta, rest, rest. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, toddy, ta. And you can write those 8th notes combined with their flag at the top here, or you can give each of them their own flag like a cape over their back. But together they are still toddy, and they are just 1 beat. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Rest, ta, rest, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Toddy, ta, toddy, ta. 1, 2, ready, begin. Rest, toddy, rest, toddy. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ta, toddy, ta. I didn't even do that on purpose, but I guess I saved the best for last because this one is my favorite. And you know why, right? Because when I clap this rhythm, ta, ta, ta-dee, ta, it gets the whole room full of crazy children quiet, just like that. And you can have it. After you leave Vail, you can have it and use it. All right, since today we're talking about half notes and half rests, I'm going to show you how to draw them. The half note is just kind of like a letter D. Do not fill in the note head. And remember, when you put it on a beat bar, it needs 2 of them because this guy gets 2 beats because it's a half note. I like to draw myself a little line under to remind me, don't put anything there. No, 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 because this guy gets it. He gets ta, and that's what we say. We say ta. If you want to draw a half rest, which also gets 2 beats, you draw a, well, I'm going to draw my beat bars first. Those are the 2 beat bars that a half rest would get. And then somewhere up here I draw a little line, and then I draw a little box over it and fill it in. That is a half rest, or I like to call it a hat rest because, hello dude, it looks like he's got a hat on. And he gets 2 beats. Rest, rest. It's basically the same thing as drawing 2 quarter rests. And I think you remember how to write those. That's a Z plus a C. It's so ZC, anyone can do it. Z, don't pick up your pencil, just draw a C underneath. I'll draw it again. Z, C. And that means 1 beat rest. So if I were gonna draw 4 beats of rest, it could look like that. Rest, 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 rest. But another way to draw 4 beats of rest would be this. A half rest, because it gets 2, and another half rest, because it gets 2. Rest, 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 rest. You could also do some sort of combination like this. Rest, half rest, rest. And that would be rest, 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 rest. They all sound the same. There's just different ways of writing them. For this assignment today, you're going to need 8 beat bars. So start by drawing yourself 4 beat bars. Draw a dividing line, that's called a bar line, and then 4 more. And after your 8th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to draw a double bar line. It's a thin line followed by a thicker line, and then music that says the end. And on your 8 beats today, somewhere in there you have to use a half note and a half rest, both. So I'm just going to get that out of the way first. I know a half note uses 2 beats, looks like that, and I like to draw the little line under it to remind me it's 2 beats. So I'm just going to use it first so I get it out of the way. Since that's the directions, is to use at least one of those, I'm just going to get it over with. And it gets that one, so I'm not going to put anything there. The next thing the directions say is to use each, or at least 1 hat rest or half rest. And remember, that also gets 2 beats. So, hey, why don't I just make it easy and put it in next? Remember, you don't have to copy me, but it's okay if you do. And that gets 2 beats also. So I'm just going to draw that little line to remind me, even though it's not really part of music. Now to finish this up, I could do the same thing again. I could do more half notes. I think I like toddies, so I'm gonna put some toddy. And I do actually like the half notes because I like saying ta, so I'm gonna finish with a ta. After I've written my 8 beats and I read it to the Flipgrid video, this is how it would sound. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta. Toddy, toddy, ta. Just a reminder, when you make your video, say hi, tell me your name and your teacher's name, and then you're going to draw, or you're going to show me the rhythm you wrote and read it for me. Remember, you could use quarter notes. They equal 1 beat. You could use 1/8 notes or toddy. They equal 1 beat for a pair. You could do quarter rests or ZC, that's 1. Or you could do halves or half rests. But remember, those get 2 each. You must use one of those and one of those. Have fun, guys. I can't wait to see what you wrote. Bye-bye.